Dictation Exercise number 183 from Pitman Shorthand Book. Start. When we ask what is the matter complained of and inquire into it, it must be borne in mind that it is not worse than what savage tribes practice among themselves or towards one another. Though, by the way, we do not for a moment defend wanton barbarity on the part of civilized man towards savages who for the first time come under his control. Stop. Unhappily, this is always more or less an incident of the contact of civilized and savage man. Stop. If we cannot see all the way to a better state of things, we may at least anticipate some of the advantages which civilization should in the end be able to bestow on the one hand on the native population and on the other hand or on the other side on itself. Stop. In the first place or in the first instance, exploration affords a healthy subject of interest for the more adventurous spirits of all nations and adds additional chapters of interest to the story of the world. Stop. In the second place, new markets are opened for commerce and new fields for the exercise of ability. Stop. In the third place, regions are opened up which may be of much value as an outlet for the overgrown population of other regions. Stop. In the next place or in the last place, colonization is a hopeful part of that onward march of humanity in which all have the deepest interest. Stop.